go. Never mind. Hockey police!
In the evening on March 31st, 2012, a desk officer in Milwaukee is about to make a disturbing discovery.
Yeah, I shot my girl a day and a half ago.
So you shot her?
Yes, I did.
What, you got ID on you? Where happened that? What's your last name?
Me.
MIT. First name?
Ellis.
Believing that the man has come in to confess to an already reported crime, the officer begins looking up his information in their database.
What address was you at?
Were you supposed to turn yourself in here or one of the jails? House for
I just walked up
CJF?
here, man.
Oh. What are you turning yourself in for?
I shot my girl.
You did what?
Shot my girl. We was horse playing and gun went off and shot her.
Okay. How long ago was this?
This was a day and a half. I stood with her for a while. Yes.
Did police come out for that or?
No, I'm just not coming up here for that.
Oh, where is she?
She's still there.
Is she alive?
No.
Oh. Okay.
They never did a report or nothing?
No.
Okay.
That's what I was looking for. I thought that that's
Okay. Turn around for me. Don't put me in the phone, man. It hurts.
No, we got to do it in the back. That's all right.
I thought that's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. Yo, some cuffs on me.
Yeah, we'll put two cuffs on you.
Yeah, I got you. I get my black one. Yeah, I was looking to see. I thought it was like a previous Did she go to the hospital or anything?
She's still at her problem, man. Like I said, I gotta get out of here for,
Where did you shoot her at?
We were playing at the bedroom, and I saw her in the room, and she started bleeding, so I took to the basement. She's just right there by the sink right now, man.
I ain't got nothing on you. Okay. You said she down in the basement. Okay.
I don't know what she's looking like right now. I was down there for about 7 hours.
Yeah.
And I walked I knowing my life is gone.
It take a real man to come and, admit what they did, If it's an accident, it's an accident. Only you, her, and God know what really happened. I commend you for that.
I want her family to, her to be messed up.
Is the gun still at the house? Where the gun at?
I drove to off of 15th and stopped in the dumpster after I left from the house.
Okay.
53rd or 50 somewhere in there, man. I was just
Okay.
both just running for a family. What's going on?
Anybody else know about this? Just you and her? Okay. And God.
That's another thing.
Yeah.
This will be my life forever now. Look at the key right here.
I got. Okay. Which key is it?
The only one on it, like.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have permission to go.
I was just telling her the door down.
Yeah. Go over here.
I feel bad for her. Everything. About 8 years later.
Hey, to be honest with you, that's up to the judge. As long as you be honest with everything that went down. Like I said, it's only you God and her that know what's going on. As long as you be honest and tell them where different stuff at, what occurred.
Yeah.
That's gonna help you out. So I'm good. Yeah, I was waiting on Weatherby. Yeah, he trying to figure some. Yeah, we good.
You need this Lex?
Yeah. Nah, he I'm gonna. You could have a seat over here. I'm gonna let you. No. Yeah, I'm not. I just want you to. Yeah, I want you to be comfortable. I ain't like that. Like I said, it take a real man to do what you just did.
That's fine.
Yeah, it was just.
I hurt my family from
Yeah. 2 in the morning? So it's Thursday. It happened Tuesday or yesterday? It's Thursday now. Yesterday or Tuesday? So Tuesday.
Yeah.
So Wednesday. So technically yesterday morning.
Yeah.
2 in the morning yesterday. Okay.
I'm lost up here.
Yeah. No, you good. You good. No. I'm just trying to get I try to get a time.
Yeah, I just want to have more about.
Yeah. And you said where was she shot at? No, I'm saying like where in the body? In the head? Just one shot? Okay. What kind of gun was it? 380? You know what brand? Yeah, that's why I was back there trying to run your name. I'm like, cause you know people come in here and turn themselves in all the time. I just it's my bad for misunderstanding. Yeah. Is it a single family house or up and lower?
Up and lower.
Up and lower. Okay.
I appreciate you not being here.
Oh no. Hey, regardless of the situation, as long as you cool, I'm gonna be cool. I ain't even like that. At the end of the day, we all human. We all make mistakes. Like I said, it take a real man to come here and do that. I wish it was a little earlier for you, you know. But I mean, and Truddy, you still came here. At the end of the day, you could have did so many other things.
In the bag, so we're sending
This your 5? These your candy? I'll put it in your pocket.
After Ellis seemingly confessed his actions, 4 officers visited his home. They intended to search for his allegedly deceased girlfriend. By entering the home with keys, Ellis provided himself.
You got the keys? Here, is it turning?
Yeah, it's turning.
Well, what's going on? I saw, I guess one of the updates we got is the body's by a sink or something, or maybe in the basement.
Is the body in your city?
Yeah, do you know what you're saying here?
No.
Oh, no way?
No.
A guy walked in our district saying he shot his girlfriend a couple of days ago, and he's been sleeping with her ever since then, but he came in and reported that he shot her, so we're going to look for a dead body.
It's completely true. I can tell you that right now. It's completely true.
I don't know what this one, man. It's
Okay, this key's not working for whatever.
You think that worked for the back door at all?
I can see.
yeah, we got limited information, but this is all just like happening right now. Find out which door he goes in. We're having trouble with the locks. There's a side door and a front door, and ask him which lock, if it's the deadbolt or the doorknob that he unlocks.
The door in the front to the right.
Yeah, ask him whether it's the deadbolt or the doorknob.
Hey, working.
Yeah. Alright.
Who's doing it? Of course.
You the biggest one. Police!
Milwaukee Police! Hang on, we got breaching tools if you want.
Do you?
Hang on, let me call. There you go. Never mind. Milwaukee Police! Milwaukee Police!
It's a basement.
Milwaukee Police Department, announce yourself if you're in here.
We know you're in here. Announce yourself. You guys want to clear that room? I'll hold this. Yeah. Milwaukee Police, we know you're in here. Announce yourself.
It's a room to the right.
Bathroom over here.
All right.
Clear as of right now.
Milwaukee Police, we know you are in here. Announce yourself. Does it come through to the kitchen?
I don't clear this.
Hold on, it leads to a whole bunch of other rooms.
Police!
Milwaukee Police, we know you're in here.
I'm on
Announce
the other
yourself.
side of you. I'm on the other side.
You're on the other side of that door?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm coming back out.
You said what day?
That's not just tell him I'm coming back out. So I didn't clear. I think there's another bedroom over there. I just didn't want to get shot by you guys, you know.
Okay. Milwaukee Police, we know you're in here.
Another car, you go to 1.
Milwaukee Police, we know you're in here.
Milwaukee Police, if you're down here, announce yourself now. Good? Yeah. Rooms to the right. Oh,
Oh, yep, there's a dead body down here.
God damn it.
We're gonna need more squad. 7286. Yeah, we're gonna need more squads here. There's gonna be a confirmed PMB female in the basement.
It looks P&B, pretty good.
Yeah.
Body P&B in the basement here. Can you get us a couple more squads and a boss?
No.
At the location. Confirm, you know the injury?
What's the injury? Hold on. A6 standby for injury. You wanna bring your light over here?
I mean, it looks like a GSW to the head.
Yeah. But I just don't want to.
We're not gonna move the body, but appears to be blood from the head region, so GSW to the head.
Yes, Dad.
Affirmative. Crazy.
The woman was later identified as Angela Lane. She appears to be clothed in loungewear, with the top half of her body contained in a plastic basement. Sink officers clear the rest of the basement as they await for other officials to arrive on scene.
Our victim's going to be a black female, probably around 30 years old, not conscious, not breathing. Been here for a couple days now. They only have a in custody. Just get his info, see if they got her info.
All right.
Has anybody made contact with the upper?
No, I've been down here just blocking all this off.
Let's make contact with the upper. Make sure nobody's injured or anything up there.
Surprisingly, it appears that there are tenants in the upper part of the duplex.
Right there. Have you heard any gunshots? You and your wife, and you're both okay? There's been a shooting and someone's in the basement shot, okay? You ever heard any gunshots? Any time in the last 6 days, anything? If you got any questions, you guys have a front door? Okay, use that. Use that if you gotta get outside and ask me any questions or anything, okay? Don't come down this hall. Thank you.
I don't know if it's her baby daddy or boyfriend walked into our district and said that he shot her a day and a half ago.
Oh, well then. Why do people keep coming into districts like this?
I don't know. I want to make it easy on us. I want to make sure numbers aren't
And then we obviously
going down.